Hello friends, today in this video we are going to write 10 lines on self-introduction in English. We read every line one by one. First line, good morning everyone. Second line, my name is Arun. Third line, I am 15 years old. Fourth line, I study in class 8. Fifth line, my school name is Sigma Public School. Sixth line, I live in Mumbai. Seventh line, my favorite subject is English. Eighth line, I love to paint and read stories. Ninth line, I have many friends and I like to play with them. Last line, thank you and have a nice day.